here I got this little glue gun, and I just want to keep it from tipping over. You know, sometimes when you set your glue gun down, if the cord is all wonky, then it'll fall over one way or the other. And so I just want to make a real quick hot glue gun stand so it don't do that. Let me show you what I got in mind. Here you can see that I got these 2 pieces of wood here and here, a couple pieces of plywood. I have no idea what size they are, really don't care. So I'm going to attach this piece of material to this piece of material so that the glue gun can sit on here like so. All right, and where those 2 legs are right there, these 2 legs here and here, I'm going to drill a couple of holes here and here, that same distance apart, so that those legs will recess down inside the holes. We'll see how that works out. Let's give it a shot. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on here. So it's like so. Let's head on over to the drill press. Well, we'll do some layout first, then we'll go to the drill press. So I drilled a couple 3/16" holes there. And let's put the glue gun in and see how it works. Well, that'll work. Pretty super simple. It's a lot simpler than some of the others that I've seen out there. So maybe this will help you too. I don't know. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.